my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backtalk. And if you've been here with me, hi, welcome back. So today I had an unboxing. If you've been watching my last videos, I've been waiting for this Sephora box to come in for over 2 weeks now. And it's finally here. So it's time. And then while we waited for Sephora, obviously we shopped more. And then so I have a couple other things. I have things from Boxlunch, a couple things from Target, and then this purse that I did not expect. So let's start with the purse first because I did film this before, but I can't find the footage. It was a couple days ago when we saw Brendan's family, but I can't find it. So I'm just gonna unbox it for you. So my birthday was during quarantine. My birthday's in March, and that's when everything started shutting down and stuff. And so we did spend my birthday at home, and it was fine. It was a little disappointing to be at home because it was going to be my first birthday at work. Usually we were on vacation during my birthday, but it was going to be the first time I actually went to work during my birthday, and I didn't get to do that. And it was still really nice. Brendan still tried to make it very special for me. But anyways, now it's May and we got to see Brendan's family a couple days ago. We exchanged some goods, oh, here, toilet paper. And then they're like, oh, here, kind of like that. And part of it was my gift, and I had totally forgotten it. So it was even a bigger surprise, and I'm really thankful. If my parents-in-law are watching it, thank you. So let me show you what they got me because it's super cute, and I can't wait to do a Disney bound with it. So you already saw it on the thumbnail, but it is this Kate Spade Minnie Mouse purse. Look how cute she is. She is so cute. She is in this black, I don't know what you would call this because it's not leather, and it doesn't feel like it's meant to be like, well, this canvasy texture, but I love this texture. I have another Kate Spade bag with the same texture. It's my favorite color, and it's my favorite texture. I don't like the fake leather because I feel like it splits too much, and I'm not the most careful person when it comes to carrying on our purse. But yeah, it's this beautiful black. Obviously it has the iconic Minnie Mouse bow with the little polka dots. If you know something about me, Minnie Mouse is not my favorite, but I love her polka dots. That's the one thing that I do feel like it's the most iconic. And then it has the little ears, but they're subtle enough and super cute. It has the Kate Spade logo, and it does have a chain, so you can put it on the side. Probably in the park I would eventually do this because I get tired. But I'm thinking this is more for if I go to Disney Springs and I'm Disney bounding as Minnie or Mickey, then I could totally wear this for a dinner or something. It's super, super cute. It's very petite, but it's just the right size to fit your phone and your wallet, chapstick. I probably wouldn't put hot sauce in here just because I don't want it to spill in there. I do want to take good care of it because it's so cute. The inside has more of those iconic polka dots. Hopefully you can see. It has the care manual and the, just proof of Kate Spade-ness. And then I wish I could show you the inside. It has the Minnie Mouse and Kate Spade collection logo, kind of like this, but as a sticker. And then it has the Kate Spade in gold. You can kind of see it there. See it? I don't really want to bend it too much, but yeah, it's just a perfect bag. It was very unexpected. Again, thank you. It's a perfect gift. And I can't wait to wear it, honestly. It's just gonna be so cute. Even I don't know, dining, just put it on the table. Just so cute. So yeah, that's gonna be the first one. All right, let's move on to some random objects that we just accumulated. So Brendan bought this at Target. It was a last minute purchase. It's really, really cute. We actually started watching the Star Wars movies again because I haven't seen them since I was tiny, so I really don't remember them. And so now we're watching this one, and Brendan said this was part of the Empire Strikes Back movie where he is, and I'm so bad with terminology. We literally just watched this movie and I still can't remember, but it's where they go to Yoda's land, and they get all muddy and stuff, so you can see there's little mud on him. But yeah, and then Luke is so annoying in that movie. I'm sorry if you like Star Wars, but he's just so impatient, and I love how sassy Yoda is when he's oh, I'll take you to meet him, and it's him, and it's that part was super cute. And there's other ones. I think Brendan's trying to look for them. Brendan does collect pop figures, so if you want me to do his collection, I can. I do wish he could find a Luke Skywalker carrying Yoda, just because Yoda is so adorable. And then yeah, Han Solo is so handsome in that movie. It makes Luke look not handsome at all. But yeah, anyways, that's for his collection. And then from that, he also got this phone case. I needed textbooks for my class. I'm taking some classes over summer, and so I bought them through Amazon because I needed them quickly. And so he bought this as part of the order. So yeah, he's really excited to put it on. It's an Otter phone case for iPhone XS. It's really cool. There we go. I think this is gonna be like his third Star Wars case. He really likes Star Wars, apparently. All right, the next thing I have, let's go through Boxlunch. I'm actually wearing a Boxlunch shirt. It's not Disney, but it's Jurassic Park. Believe it or not, I love the Jurassic Park movies, but I love Jurassic World even more. I know that's really weird, but I just love Jurassic World. I love Chris Pratt. I like the music. I like the adventureness and the romance, and I've actually seen Jurassic World 1 and 2 maybe over 15 times each. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it's one of those movies that I can like watch over and over again. All right, so there's just like packing information. This stuff has been in the quarantine for a while, so it's been like in the garage, and we've like cleaned the outside. It has a coupon for 25% off, so excited. I had my eye on a Loungefly Coco bag, but I can't justify spending money on it. But if the coupon works, then that's different. All right, so I can't remember. Brendan made this purchase. So I don't know what's in here. I know he bought me one thing. It's another pop figure. Oh, this is interesting. Did he mean to buy this? I need to ask him about this. This is so fascinating. All right, well, he bought Ronald Reagan. All right, American history. Is this the right pop? I don't know why I thought he bought something different. Yeah, speechless. All right, well, there you have it. Just to show you how wild his collection is. These are cute. Very 4th of July haul, but all right, Brendan. What else is in here? He also bought, oh, it's small. Are you ready? Look how cute. It's a Coco long sleeve. If you haven't noticed, obsessed with long sleeves. From Boxlunch. They have a really nice fit. This one was like a male fit. So I like it even more because it's more loose. This one doesn't feel like it's gonna be as loose, but it's so precious. It has El Músico, the musician, in the front. And hopefully you can tell that the cards are like Loteria cards. And then we flip it over, and it has all the different characters. El Alegrije, which is your spirit animal. El Músico, El Muerto, the deceased, I guess is the way you would say it. La Guitarra, the guitar. La Gran Bisabuela, the great-great-grandmother. La Abuela, the grandmother. El Cantante, the singer. And then El Perro, the dog. And in the middle is Coco. And it's so bright. It's so wonderful. I like shirts that have a back. Hold on. I'm on the floor, so. See? So this is like so up my alley, and it's Coco. And if you haven't seen my Pixar Showdown, spoiler alert, Coco wins. But yeah, I'm just so excited to wear this. It's gonna be a perfect shirt. And it does have like bright sleeves also. And it has the skulls. I was gonna say sugar skulls because I'm used to sugar skulls being, I don't know what I'm doing. Skulls and moons, and it just alternates between the colors. And it's so soft, and I wish I could just change into it. But I should probably clean it first because of the quarantine. But yeah, so excited. So that's what I got. And then, what is this? It looks like Brendan bought a shirt of the Cantina Star Wars. Man, Brendan, since when do you like Star Wars so much? But here it is. Very subtle in the front. It just has most Eileen Tatooine. I am so saying that wrong. I am so sorry if it's bothering you. And then on the back is just a menu of the cantina. It has a cantina mix, Obi wontons, 7-layer dip and chips. That is so cute. Dark sliders, boba fettables. Yoda soda. Oh, I like that. They should sell that. I would buy that. Hey guys, I'm carrying my Yoda soda. Gatorade. Yes, with these ponds. Yawa juice, blue, Bantha milk, Jabba the Hutt. I get it. Jabba the Disney, get on this now. You should sell this. No droids, no blasters, no problems. And then it has the address on the bottom. This shirt is so cool. And it has other ones like Storm Scoopers, Chewy Cookies, Death Star Donuts, Leia Sweet Buns. Flan Solo. Yes, this is gonna be one of my favorite shirts. Hey Brendan, I'm gonna steal this. I hope it's okay. It'll be fine, you know? I like loose. But yeah, so that is all Boxlunch. I love Boxlunch, and it looks like we got a coupon and Boxlunch money. So it looks like that Coco backpack will belong to me at some point. And then, oh, if you haven't seen my most recent haul, we have problems. We bought, and I say we, Brendan bought shirts at Uniqlo. We've talked about this. I don't know how to pronounce it. And it was buy 2 get 1 free. And then when I unboxed, it was 5 shirts, which mathematically makes no sense. And we realized that one of them was delayed, and it finally got here. And it is this shirt. Now, Brandon and I both love Uniqlo shirts. They're really loose, very nice materials. They last a long time, and they recently had a Pikachu collection, or not Pikachu, Pokemon collection, and this is the one that Brendan got. It is so cute. It's a little silhouette of Pikachu. If I like Pokemon more, I think this would be a great tattoo. I want a tattoo of a silhouette of a cat, but I'm just not there yet in my life. Like, it takes me forever to decide what hot sauce I want to buy at the store. Imagine deciding if I want to put something on my body. But yeah, so this is super cute, and then the back is plain, but the front alone is just enough. So that was the 6th shirt. So if you watched that haul and you were like, surely mathematically this makes no sense, I'm sorry, it's because it was delayed. All right, and the last thing is what I've been waiting for, which is the Sephora. And to be honest, now I don't want it. No, okay, so what I actually bought, and I haven't even opened this because it's been in quarantine. Like I said, when we buy things, we leave it in the garage and then we disinfect it, and we just try to give it as much time as possible. All right, so yeah, anyways, I live in Arizona. My skin is very, very dry. It's just naturally dry. I've gone to like a dermatologist. They've recommended different things, and it's just, I just have a dry face, and the more, like if I wash it or anything like that, obviously it dries more. So I just have to be really careful. So I've been seeing this moisturizer everywhere, so I thought I would try it out. It was a little bit more expensive than I like, but since it's a moisturizer and my face is just needing that moisture, I was like, I'll give it a try. All right, so it is a Tatcha water cream. So that's what it looks like. There you go. This is a different version. It's the gratitude size, so it's like a special size, and it has a different design on the outside. Celebrating 4 million days of school. De journée à l'école. You like my French? Is this French? No, it says made in Japan. So why is this in French? Yeah, this is in French. Why? Japanese wild rose visibly tightens the look of pores and refines texture. Japanese leopard lily helps control excess oil and clarify skin. Now, oil I am okay with. If I do eat too many chips, which I tend to do, then I have a problem with that. Had a C3, a trinity of anti-aging Japanese superfoods, important, useful radiance. we'll see how it goes. The other thing that I'm scared about is smell. I am so picky with smells. I like chapsticks with no smell. Sometimes I buy lipsticks and I end up not using them because of the smell. I don't know what happened to me. I have so many candles when I was younger. I used to love the Bath & Body candles. And now I get dizzy if I turn too many on. So, well, that makes sense. I mean, like, if it's on for too long. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. Like, don't get me wrong. This is so pretty. It makes me, like, get even more sad that we won't be going to Japan this year. But super, super pretty. Let me smell it now so I can tell you. Oh, this is so cute. It's putting on stick thingy, and then you just put it back in here. Oh, wow, cleaning that. And then it has a little protector to show that no one's opened it, which is nice. I didn't know you could return things, and my friend was like doing like a little haul on Instagram for us, her friends, and she was saying how if she doesn't like a product, she returns it. And I was like, oh, I thought once you used it you couldn't, but I guess you can. It's fine. It smells like, it does have a smell, so we'll see how long I can tolerate it, because if it's in my face, I'm gonna smell it all day. It's okay. It's a little strong for me, but we'll see how it goes. But I really like the packaging, like how cute that is. And then the other thing that I was like, it needs to get here now, was this bag. Oh, all right. This bag that has different sunscreens, so I can try different sunscreens. It was a little bit expensive, so I'm hoping the sizes are okay. It comes with this bag. Now I don't need another bag. I have a lot of bags like this. My mom tends to buy a lot of like packages, like she'll buy a lotion and then you get like a free bag for free or something, or sometimes you can buy it additionally. So I do have a lot of bags already. They look fairly small. For the, how much did I pay for this? It doesn't say. I think it was like $30. Wait, actually I think the thing says it. It was $40, but I think it was during the 15% off or 10% off for Sephora Insider or something. But still, 10% off is $4, so $36. All right, anyway, so here is like an actual sized. This is a pretty good size, I would say. I won't show you everything because I don't know everything. But look how, like, some of them are really, really small. Like this, well, this one I'm excited for. This is the Drunk Elephant one. I've been meaning to try this, but look how small it is. So at least it has like a full size, but there's a comparison. Obviously this one's way more expensive. And they're all relatively small. I feel like I would get these samples anyways. I don't know if this is gonna be worth the money. I'll let you know once I try it, if it's worth the money. This one seems a little bit heftier. I don't recognize some of these brands. Some of these brands I do. So we'll see. But that's pretty much everything. So there's quite a bit of products in here, but they look fairly small. They look like things that you would get for free. So we'll see. But yeah, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items, one full-size item. And then that's like the packaging. But yeah, so $36. We'll see. I thought it would be a good investment to see what goes well with my face and doesn't dry up more. I do need sunscreen. I feel like all of my friends at this age are telling me like, oh, I just bought sunscreen. Like it's just a thing that everybody's doing at this point. So I just jumped on the wagon. But yeah, that's what I was waiting for. I don't really like the bag, I'll be honest. I don't like the texture. It feels like a scuba suit. So maybe it'll be good for the beach. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense because it's sunscreen. All right, this video is way too long. But yeah, we had quite a bit of things to show you. I hope you liked the haul. Let me know what your favorite thing is, or let me know if you tried any of the Sephora products before I try them, and let me know if you like them. But yeah, there'll probably be another haul because of that coupon, so I'm so excited. Hopefully I can get the cocoa bag. Yeah, don't forget, if you're like me and you miss Disney, to like and subscribe. I'm trying to do videos as often as I possibly can with Disney content, just because it's my way of not missing it as much. I've been watching vlogs lately of other people going to Disney while I edit, just because it gets me like excited and pumped, and I just keep looking for tickets and my work calendar to figure out once they open, can I go? But yeah, I hope you have a great and magical day, and until next time, adios.